Time for a little dessert. Oh, got a little cherry pie for dessert. Warm pie on a cold day. That was good. Gotta go do some dishes. All right, there we go. Dish is done. Now, I know a lot of you guys see this and wonder if that's going to attract animals. Animals are not a problem here. There's no animals in these woods. The reason why? The snow's too deep. This deep snow is hard to walk in. It buries all the food. Any animals that aren't hibernating, they're down in the valley, not up here in the mountains. I walked for almost an hour in this snow and never saw a single animal print. And that's why you don't have to worry about animals winter camping in this deep snow. Ugh, I am soaking wet.